Welcome to our kitchen window decorating tutorial. Today, we'll show you how to transform your kitchen window over the sink into a stylish and functional focal point. We'll be using a variety of components to achieve the perfect interior design. So, let's get started. Before we begin, make sure to clean and prepare the window area. Remove any existing window treatments, and clean the glass panes and surrounding surfaces for a fresh start. The first step is to add window treatments for privacy and style. Attach the curtain rod just above the window frame. Now, let's hang the curtains or blinds of your choice. This will add a touch of elegance to the kitchen while controlling the amount of natural light. Next, let's install a decorative valance above the window. This will enhance the overall look and hide the curtain rod. Now, attach a small shelf to the window frame. It's a perfect spot to display your favorite plants or decorative items. To brighten up the sink area, we'll install under cabinet lighting. Measure the length and position the fixtures beneath the overhead cabinets. This will provide functional task lighting and create a cozy ambience in the evenings. Now, let's add some functional components. Install a towel rack on the side for easy access to kitchen towels. Attach a soap dispenser near the water faucet to keep the sink area neat and organized. Let's bring some greenery into the kitchen. Place a few small planters on the windowsill to add a refreshing touch to the space. Plants not only look beautiful but also improve air quality. Consider adding a stylish backsplash to protect the wall behind the sink. You can choose from various materials like tiles, peel and stick options, or even a waterproof wallpaper. Lastly, step back and take a look at your beautifully decorated kitchen window. Make any necessary adjustments to ensure everything looks balanced and visually appealing. Congratulations! You've successfully transformed your kitchen window over the sink into a stunning focal point. By using components like the window frame, glass panes, sill, casing, apron, curtain rod, curtains/blinds, valance, shelf, towel rack, under cabinet lighting, water faucet, sink, soap dispenser, garbage disposal, dish rack, and planters, you've created a functional and aesthetically pleasing space. We hope you enjoyed this tutorial and that it inspired you to explore more interior design projects. Thanks for watching, and happy decorating!